Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. Today we're gonna study enjoyable conversation. So headline is 재미있는 말놀이. 재미있는 means enjoyable. 말놀이 is conversation or talking. And let's have a look then. First sentence is 아빠는 허 because we learned here consonant, last consonant, and here plus R. Here is H, R is E, O. Ho. That sounds is just laughing sounds. This gray color is everything is laughing sounds. 아빠는 허. 아빠 is father. 아빠. And next one. 엄마는 호. And 엄마 is mother. Mom. Laughing sound. 호호호. And next one. 누나는 후후후. 누나 is sister. 누나는 후후후. And 동생은 히히히. he. And 동생 is because looks like brother, man. So this is brother. 히히히. And 나는 is me. 나는 하하하. But in English, we usually saying ha ha ha. Also in Korea, its normal sound, laughing sound is ha ha ha. But ho 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 is more like ladies. Ho ho ho. Lady sound. And next sentence is here plus a, 미음 plus a. 하마. We learned 하마, hippo. 하마는 후하. 후하. This is also laughing sound. Okay? And I'm gonna say one more time. 아빠는 허. 엄마는 호호호. And 누나는 후후후. 동생은 히히히. And 나는 하하하. And 하마는 후하후하. That's all. So, I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.